So hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. Like we have done many of the things related to JavaScript and you have learned many of the things using JavaScript, and I hope you all enjoy the things which we have done here using JavaScript in part videos. We are building all the JavaScript tutorial and all the part of the JavaScript tutorial project based, and we are doing all the work project based. So today also we are building a project based project, and in this project we will be using logical operators in JavaScript, and I'll be telling you how to use logical operators using JavaScript, and I'll be telling you one to one thing what are logical operators, how to use them, and what are the things included in logical operators. So this video will be really helpful, and remember to see this if you want to learn how to just build these amazing like you can say projects, and how to use logical operators in project to build amazing projects like bigger projects. So I'll be telling you one to one thing, and if you are just new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like because it gives motivation to me, and also subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you'll be notified, and also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things like you are taking. And I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be uploading. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing project and how to use logical operator using JavaScript to build the project. So just like I've told you, we'll be just building an amazing project, and we will be using JavaScript to build this project. Here we will be using many of the different tags also to build this amazing project. And like I've told you, we are building this project, and today we are building an amazing using JavaScript, and we are building a project of pricing cart, and we will be using logical operator to build this project. So now I'll be starting to build our project of pricing card using logical operator in JavaScript. So for building this project, first of all, here I will be now opening my default just VS Code text editor. Now when you've opened this, here I want to show you the project which we are building today. So if I move here, you can see, if I just open this file, so you will be seeing that this is our project here which we are building. This is the pricing card. This is the normal and simple pricing card which we are building here. It is built in JavaScript, and we have used logical operators to build this amazing pricing card using JavaScript. Here we are just getting, you can see the dollar monthly. Here you can also see the text written here for beginner use. Then you will be also getting paragraphs of like 100 GB premium bandwidth and all the things here you will be getting. Then here I'm just also getting the button of choose plan. Here it is getting a pop-up effect, you can see, which is looking good. Then we are getting a standard team option, and then we are also getting $99 per month for professional use, team for team collaboration and anything like this, $49 per month. And you can also read the paragraphs down, which is looking good, and then the basic paragraphs down here. So this is the thing, and this is the project of pricing card. This is the normal and simple pricing card which we are building using JavaScript and logical operator, because I am doing all the project based, like you all know that. So now I'll be starting with this amazing video and seeing how to just build this amazing pricing card using JavaScript and logical operators. So for building this, I will be closing this now, and I will be opening my VS Code text editor here. So you can see now it has been opened. I will be closing the previous one. Then you have to open your pricing card folder directly from here. So this is the folder of pricing card. You can see I have opened this. Now when you've opened here, I will be copying the starting code. Now when you've just done that, here I'll be moving. Then you have to just do like save this, paste. Then here I will be removing this. Then you have to just do like, here I will be now just writing the title. You can write any simple title here, like we are building pricing card, so here I'll be writing pricing card like this. Save this, and then you have to just do like close this body tag directly from here. Then you have to just do one thing, save this again, and now open it in default Google Chrome browser to check it is working. So I will be moving here desktop. This is our Google Chrome browser, and you can see only we are getting color, all the things has been removed. So here I will be now doing side by side here, and we will be starting to build our project. Press Ctrl B to close side panel, do it side by side. Then when you written this, you have to move under this body tag, right here div class wrapper like this. Then right here input, then right here type radio. Then I'll be writing here name slider like this. Then right here ID tab 1. Then you have to move down, right here input type radio. Then here when you return this, I'll be writing name slider. Then I'll be writing here ID tab 2. Then you have to write here input type radio. Then I'll be writing here name slider. Then I'll be writing here ID tab 3. Then you have to move at the top, and then I'll be writing here check like this, not in this. Here I will be moving, then I'll be writing here check. Then I will be now moving down, right here header, and then I will be writing here label for. Then I'll be writing here tab 1, right here class tab dash 1. Then when you've written this, I'll be writing here basic. then I'll be now moving down. Here you have to write label for tab 2. So now when you've written this, I'll be now writing class, then write here tab 2 again, then write standard like this. Then you have to move down, write here label for, then I'll be writing here tab 3, write here class which should be tab 3, then I'll be writing here team. Then when you've written this, I'll be moving down, right here div. So here I'll be writing div class slider like this. Then when you've written this thing, just I'll be writing here div class, then I'll be writing here card area. Now here if I just show you by saving this, you can see we are getting these all things, means only the card area we are getting, but downwards things we are not getting here. So for getting that, here we are getting div tag, and then I'll be writing here class cards, then you have to write here div class, then I'll be writing here row. So here I'll be writing row 1, then you have to move down, right here div class, then I'll be writing here price details, then I'll be just moving down, right here span, then here when you've written this, I'll be now writing a span class, then I'll be writing here price, and here I will be now just moving down, right here p tag for beginner, then I'll be writing here use. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down after this tag, then right here u class features, then you have to just move down, right here li I tag class which should be fa check. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing span tag, so here I will be now writing span tag, then right here 100 GB premium, then here I'll be writing bandwidth like this. So here when you've written this, I'll be moving down after this tag, then right here li I tag class fa dash check, then here I will be now writing span free, then here I'll be writing 50 plus installation, then here I'll be writing scripts, then right here WordPress like this, and right here supported. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here li I tag class fa check, then when you've written this, here I will be now writing span, right here one free domain like this, then right here registration, then here I will be now writing .com and .np, then you have to write here extensions only. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here li I tag class, then here I'll be writing fa check, then here I will be now writing span tag, then right here unlimited email accounts, so here I'll be writing this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing and databases, then here I'll be saving this, reload. You can see we are just getting this basic only, we are not getting a standard and team. So now I will be telling you how to get it. So just you have to move under this div tag here. So now when you've just done that, here I'll be writing div class row, then I'll be moving down, right here div class price width price details, then I'll be moving down, right here span class price, then I'll be writing here 99, then you have to move down, right here p tag for professional, then I will be writing here use, and when you've written this, here I will be writing features like this, then I'll be moving here I tag class, then I'll be writing here fa check, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing a span tag, right here unlimited GB premium, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing bandwidth like this, then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, right here li I tag, then I'll be writing here class fa check, then when you've written this, here I will be writing span, and after writing span, here I'll be writing free 200 plus installation, so here I'll be writing, then right here scripts WordPress like this, you can write anything, save this, then you have to reload. You can see we are getting things like this. Now when you are getting this, here I will be moving down after this tag, right here li I tag class fa, then here you have to write fa check, then I'll be writing here span tag, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing 5 free domain, then I'll be writing registration, then here I will be writing .com and .up extensions, so here I'll be writing extensions only. Then when you've written this, here you have to just do one thing, here I'll be saving this, then reload. So you can see we are just getting this. Now when you are getting this thing, just here I will be now doing one thing, here I will be now copying this thing when you've written this, and then after copying this thing here, I'll be moving down, then here I will be pasting it. Then when you've written this, here you have to just do one thing, here I will be moving down after this tag, and then after this tag here I will be writing button, then right here choose plan like this. Then you have to save this, and then when you've written this you have to reload, and you can see we are just getting this, but now we are not getting this basic plan. So here I will be copying this, pasting it again, then here I will be now writing 49 and writing it here for team collaboration. Save this, then you have to reload, and when you've written this you can see we are just getting these all things. Here I'll be pressing Ctrl Z, so move here, erase this thing, save this, reload, and then we are just getting this. Now when you are getting this thing, just here I will be moving in this tag like this thing, like this, then you have to move down, paste it here, save this, then reload, and you can see we are just getting this here. Now when you are getting this, here I'll be pressing Ctrl Z, then here I will be moving down after this tag, paste it, save this, then you have to reload. Now if I show you, you can see now we are getting all this thing. Just here we have to do some of the change. Here I'll be writing 49 and then writing here team, and then I'll be writing here collaboration. Save this, then reload. Now if I show you, you can see now our project has been built. This is our amazing pricing card which we have built using JavaScript in logical operator, and I hope you enjoy how we have built this amazing pricing card. This was simple pricing card which we have built using JavaScript in logical operator, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, understand this, so hit a like to this video, and if you're new on the channel, want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe button, share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things like you are taking. And I'll be now building more projects like this in future which will be helpful for you. Remember to check that out, which will be just really helpful, and it will be also really learnable for you. So I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.